Welcome to Talks with H&L. Today we have a very special guest, President Donald Trump. Himself, Mr. Trump, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Hammad. It's fantastic to be here. Truly fantastic. We're here to talk about making America great and all that winning stuff.
Absolutely. Now, Mr. Trump, tariffs have been a hot topic. You once said tariffs can be a tool for American greatness. Can you explain how...
Tariffs are like the perfect wall for trade. They protect American businesses from bad deals and give them a chance to compete. It's all about fairness, folks.
That's right. You always believed in protecting American jobs. So what's the secret recipe for making America great through tariffs?
Strong tariffs, smart negotiations, and a winning mindset are key. Tariffs deter countries from taking advantage and boost American products, jobs, and the economy. It's tremendous.
You make it sound like tariffs are the ultimate comeback story. How do you see this strategy playing out in today's global market?
Putting America first every day. We negotiate tougher deals, invest in homegrown industries, and protect what's ours. No one steals our thunder. Our tariffs set the terms, play by our rules, or walk away.
That's some bold talk, and you've always been known for your confident, straight-to-the-point style. Any final thoughts on how tariffs will help make America even greater?
Tariffs are just the start. We're rebuilding infrastructure, fueling industries, and empowering workers. With smart policies, bold investments, and American grit, jobs surge, growth soars.
Thank you, Mr. Trump, for sharing your unique perspective with us. It's been a fascinating and fun conversation.
Thank you, Laiba, and thank you everyone for listening. Remember, America first, always.
That wraps up today's episode of Talks with H&L. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions.
Until next time, keep winning.